the Acura NSX intends to fill a niche that barely exists, but for those who seek a daily driver supercar with some hybrid cred, no less, this is your journey. The original NSX, which was phased out of product in 2005, rendered easy, day-to-day livability minus the green, exotic seams, otherworldly performance, a compliant journey, and comfy space for two adults and a reasonable sum of shipment. Aside from the original's generous shipment space, the reborn NSX checks all the same boxes and kicks things up a notch with above-average fuel economy thanks to its hybrid powertrain and electric-only driving abilities. It certainly seems the part of a supercar, but it doesn't quite hit the exotic celebrate on the inside, where evidence of duties sharing with lesser Acuras casts emphatically downmarket darknes. What's new for 2018? Nothing. Acura says there's not a single change to the NSX for 2018. Not even a single new color or interior alternative differentiates it from the 2017 simulation. Acura: we still have kept the NSX's base price even with last year's simulation at $157,800. What was new for 2017? To say that the second generation NSX shares nothing with the first generation, the production of which ended in 2005, would be an understatement. From its carbon fiber and aluminum-intensive construction to its all-wheel drive hybrid electric powertrain, the NSX was altogether reimagined for 2017. Despite being modernized, the NSX does draw inspiration from the original. Its easygoing nature and excellent outward visibility are still its best features, attaining it more usable than most supercars when driven daily. Trims and options we'd show restraint when adding alternatives to the NSX's spec sheet, as few of them improve upon its performance. Carbon ceramic brakes, $9,990, are a worthy performance upgrade for an auto that is capable of, according to Acura, a 191 mph top speed. The optional, dealer-installed Pirelli P0 Trufio R tires, $1,999, that came on our exam auto makes sense only if you plan on track time. They're virtually race tires and wear thin speedily. We'd likewise upgrade the NSX's standard Milano leather seats for $1,500, which adds semi-aniline leather and faux suede surfaces, power adjustments for both driver and passenger, lumbar support and two-position memory fixes for the driver. Acura offerings many other interior and exterior accessories and alternatives, but the NSX's stunning good looks necessitate no modifications, so we'd skip them all and hit the register for our $171,199 bill of sale.